Welcome back to Jude and Ralph TV. Like and subscribe.
We're gonna do a video. We're making a slime. Yeah. Okay. There we go. And there we go.
Okay, should we start with the blue or the pink?
You're pink. Okay. Pink is the cool color. Okay, you do it.
I'll do this one. You do your one. You do this one because it'll be easier. Bring it all this way.
It's on over here. But how do we make it get this off?
Just leave it.
Okay, it's not working.
Alright, yeah, that one's just pretty much. Let me do it.
Wait, that's for. Ay!
Okay, I'm gonna do it this way.
Wait, I'll be right back.
Okay, Jude, I'm finished with the blue.
You finish it, I'll be right back.
Jude, why are you farting? Ew, stop farting.
I am not.
Ew. Don't hit me.
I got wet.
Ew.
Stop. Before I
Let me go
to your
put
face.
these away.
Before we act to your face, him love it. You like cardboard.
I'm not cardboard.
Him, you like eating cardboard. With me. With the milk.
No, we don't mix it yet.
Oh.
Should we just mix the glue and then add this so it turns purple?
No,
No. Let's make it purple first.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Woo! So epic! Where are we going to put this?
I don't know.
Ow!
Jude, move your hand.
Whee!
Okay. Now let's make it into slime.
Slime.
That's what you. No, Jude, calm down.
I'm too crazy today. I'm too glitchy.
You're always crazy.
Yeah, because I'm Jude and TV. Like and subscribe.
No, you're Jude Miller.
My second name is Miller.
What's your first name?
What?
What's your first name?
Jude.
What's your middle name?
I forgot Jude Miller.
You don't have a middle name.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. You just have a first name and a second name. You don't have a middle.
What's it?
Yeah, go on, don't do it.
Let's do it.
No!
Yeah.
Do you want to eat it?
Okay, you eat it.
No, stop.
I'm too crazy.
Wait, hold that. Hold it. Hold it before.
Let's get some on you.
No, Jude! Don't do that. Jude, come over here. Go on, touch it. Jude, you can play with it now. Touch it.
What? Nah, mix it.
No, touch it. Beth, you can play with it. Put your hand in it. Just...
You do it first.
No, because I'll mix it. I'm joking. We need to unwind this. Move your hand. Jude, what are you doing?
Alright, that's how I'm doing. This is how pizza.
No.
Help.
Jude, stop.
I'm helping.
No, you're not helping.
Mix me. That's it, go.
Jude, look. Should I put this in your hand?
No. Oh, salt water. Oh, yeah.
Come put your hand over it. I'm not going to put it. Dude, don't do that!
I don't want this.
Yeah, throw this.
Ah!
Ah, stop. Do you want me to throw this at you? What are you doing?
Oh. Just seeing what I'm doing. I'm doing like that, like water you drink. So I'm washing it with my sticky. The favorite thing. Yeah!
It's not done.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It's so done.
It's not done.
Like subscribe to Jude and TV. Bye. If you don't subscribe, you don't get the slime. Bye. Let me play.
No.
No.
Alright, Jude, can I try something with you?
No.
I'm still going to do anything. I can promise.
You're gonna throw it at my face.
No, I won't.
Yes, you will.
No, I won't.
You will.
No, I won't.
You will.
I won't.
You will.
I won't.
You will.
I pinky promise.
Okay, don't play.
Huh?
Okay. We're doing. We're playing.
Okay, right. You hold it from this end.
Huh?
Now pull it.
What?
Just hold it. Hold it. Put your finger. No, not like that. Jude, properly. Otherwise, I'm just going to throw it in the face.
I'm not gonna make it.